Ang daming nagtatanong lately, worth it ba talaga ang mga promos ng mga credit cards? At totoo bang nakakatipid talaga tayo? Hi everyone, Crisel Morales here. Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang BDO promos for 2026. Like dining, travel, discounts, and installment deals. Pero hindi bilang hype, kundi financial tool. Wait, important reminder muna bago tayo ma-excite. A discount does not necessarily mean savings. Tandaan natin, a certain promo is good if it fits our budget. Ang goal ng video na to ay simple lang. Intindihin ang promo, alamin kung kailangan, at malaman kung kailan kailangan nating tumanggi. Because it's not always yes, even if it's discounted or even if it is a promo. Simulan natin sa dining promos based on the published list of BDO this 2026. Up to 50% off of the following.
50% off of the following: Bistro Group, Botegio, Greyhound Cafe, Maple Tree, House Paper, Moon Cafe. Valid Wednesday to Friday until February 13th, 2026. For BDO Elite and Gold cardholders. 40% off at Shakey's 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Friday. Minimum spend of 2,500 Cuban pesos until February 27th, 2026.
Kung kakain ka naman talaga even without the promos, then savings yan. Pero kung kakain ka lang dahil may promos, that's not savings. That is what we call expense creation. Rule to remember, planned spending plus discount equals savings. Pero unplanned spending plus discount equals dagdag gastos. Oo, dagdag gastos. Travel deals, ito ang isa sa pinaka-tempting. The Great BDO Travel Sales for 2026. Partner airlines like Eva Air, may fly now, pay later option sila. Trip.com promo is currently ongoing with their 10% discount. Pero ang tanong sa ating sarili, meron ba tayong travel fund? O utang ito na pinangbabakasyon? We have to remember, travel must be funded or installment planned and not impulse-based. And then next, 0% installment. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ng marami. Hundreds of merchants offer 24 months to pay at 0% interest. And with low-rate options, up to 36 months. And this is valid until December 31, 2026. So you have a lot more to go para ma-avail ang 0% interest nila for 24 months. And kapag 36 months naman, may konting patong na interest. We have to remember, ang 0% interest ay hindi ibig sabihin na zero cost. You know what? Ang ibig sabihin nito, number 1, kinakain mo ang future income mo. Binabawasan mo ang future cash flow at kailangan consistent ka buwan-buwan. Ibig sabihin nito parang nakapusta na yung cash flow mo, future cash flow mo. Kasi alam mo na buwan-buwan meron kang babayaran. So kung baga, fix na yung ide-deduct sa income mo monthly. At hindi na yun pwedeng i-reverse. Eto, tandaan natin, 0% interest is good kung necessary ang purchase. Pasok sa monthly budget at may emergency fund ka. Kasi kung wala, kawawa ka. At nagiging delikado naman kung pinagsasabay-sabay ang installments. No. Hindi na binibilang ang total monthly obligations. Tinatrato ito na parang extra money. Kung pwede nating iwasan naman ito, iwasan natin. May cash installment programs din ang BDO via BDO Pay and online app. And valid din until December 31, 2026. Useful ito para sa pag-consolidate planned expenses na may malinaw na payoff. Pero tandaan, cash from credit card is still a borrowed money, meaning to say, utang siya. We have to always remember if we are planning to borrow money or cash, convert our credit into cash, kailangan it should be financial restructuring and not a lifestyle upgrade. Paano ba gumamit ng promos wisely? Bago i-avail ang kahit na anong klase ng promo, itanong muna natin ito sa ating mga sarili. Gumagastos ba talaga ako ng ganitong pera kahit walang promo? Kaya ko bang bayaran ito na hindi nasasakal ang budget ko? May naitutulong ba ito sa financial situation ko? And if the answer is no, then that promo is not for you. As I always say, credit card is a financial tool. And then again, I say, a tool can build or destroy. Depende sa paggamit mo. Nagustuhan mo ba ang topic natin for today? Sana nakatulong ang video na to. And if you like this video or this content for today, mag-comment naman kayo ng like. And also, please do not forget to subscribe dito sa ating YouTube channel and always tap the notification bell so that you will always be notified kapag meron tayong bagong video. Remember, kahit na anong klaseng pagsubok meron tayo sa buhay, remember that life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!